Welcome to How to Sneeze. Let's observe. Hey Billy, how do you sneeze?
Billy, that's not how you sneeze. That's how you spread disease. Hey, here's Johnny. Johnny, Billy doesn't know how to sneeze.
Well, let's show him.
Step 1, lift your arm. Step 2, turn your head. Step 3, apply head to arm. Step 4, deploy your sneeze. Thanks, Johnny.
See, Billy, there's a right way and a wrong way to do things.
Golly gee, I sure know now. Let's practice, friends. Okay.
Ready? Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that Billy knows how to sneeze, hopefully you do too.